In today's digital world, many viewers are naturally drawn to content about getting rich, becoming famous, and achieving quick success. Prosperity, abundance, and rich become famous and achieving quick success. Prosperity, abundance, and lifestyles often receive more clicks, especially we know it so well, than messages about faith, character, and spiritual growth. Now, this can sometimes discourage Christian content creators who feel their gospel-centered messages are overlooked. Yet, true impact is not always measured in views, likes, or followers. While the world may chase visibility, God values obedience, consistency, and transformed lives. Believers who create faith-based content are planting seeds that are often grow quietly but powerfully. We don't know who's watching, but people are watching. And the encouragement is simple: do not give up. Even if prosperity content trends faster, spiritual truth lasts longer. Now, your message may reach fewer people today, but